Alright, we got a newer Schindler 3300 elevator here in Sugarland. Actually, this seems to be a Schindler 3100 elevator. I've done a little research and comparisons on other people's videos of elevators like this one, so this one I think is a Schindler 3100 elevator. My very first Schindler 3100 MRL I've ever written. A big thanks to the nice staff for allowing me to take a quick video. This is a newer Schindler 3300 elevator. My very first. Wow. Let's go to 3.
Let's do 2. Do 2. Yeah. 3 isn't expecting us.
Oh, okay. Well, we're not getting off there anyways. Just taking a round trip back down.
Okay.
Never seen a brand new Schindler 3300 elevator like this. I believe this elevator was installed later on. We're at 3, watch the button go out. Let's go on to 1. The cab is just your standard, just like any Schindler 3300 elevators. I have never seen these fixtures on a Schindler 3300 at all. Alright, I think I'm just gonna call it here. Why don't you press the button because I want to get that lantern to light up. Alright, so once you close, there it goes, and that's it. Thank you.